Hello everyone, with you teacher Ola. I'm gonna be teaching you how to teach the four skills in a sample way. As we know that the four skills are divided to receptive skills and productive skills. The receptive skills are reading and listening. The productive skills are writing and speaking. Of course, if you teach the receptive skills well, your students will write and speak English very well. I will start by teaching the receptive skills, especially teaching reading. We will go through a workshop, and while we are in the workshop, I will tell you the tips of teaching reading. First, I'll give my students a picture like this and start to ask them some questions like, who are they? Do you think they are siblings? Where are they going? What are they wearing and why? Why are they happy? After that, I will start to teach them the blocking vocabulary. Before teaching the blocking vocabulary, you need to know, don't teach more than 5 blocking vocabulary from the text. Before reading the text, you have to teach your students the blocking vocabulary to give them ideas about the text or to make it easily for them to understand the whole text. In this text, we have purse, pants, nationality. I'll start to elicit the meanings from my students, discuss the meanings with them, and after that, I will give them task 1. Task 1 for this text: tell 3 colors and clothes items from the text. After that, they are about to read the text. I'll give them 5 to 8 minutes to read the text alone, silently, of course. After that, I'll give them task 2. For example, questions like, describe Maria. Where is Peter from? What does Peter like? Where is Jeremy from? What color does Maria like? And you have to notice here that these questions are more detailed questions. We have to go through the text and try to answer these questions and give more details about the text. Then I will go through task 3. Like with your partner, speak about your nationality and your favorite color and hobby. Here, I am giving them something like communicative activity to do it together, and of course, I am immersing speaking in the activity, and this is integration. I'm integrating the speaking skill in the reading skill, and this is very important. Now, let's go through what are the steps that I followed in this reading lesson. As we know, we have 2 phases for reading. Reading for fluency, and here the teacher will let her students read more for just fluency, and she will correct only their fluency, the students' fluency. Reading for comprehension, and here the teacher wanted the students to understand the text, learn the new vocabulary in the text, and get details from the text and new information from the text. These are the 2 phases of reading. And you have to do 2 lessons. Here, reading for fluency in a lesson, separate one, and reading from comprehension in a separate lesson, of course. This lesson was reading for comprehension, and the stages of this lesson, 3 main stages, which are pre-reading, which is engagement, as I give them the picture and let them try to guess what's going to happen in the text. This is activating their schemata. Also, while reading, which is the while reading task, it means a study to get more details. Post-reading activate. This must be communicative activity.